Look at him, Wayne, what we done picked up for you today here, boy. Take a look at this, what me and Ray went and put on the guy with the roll back today up there. Look at him. We might take you to ride in that thing. We get through with it. It's going to be our next project. $22.50. We get $2,250 for that rust bucket. What do you think of that rust bucket?
It ought to be something we get done with it.
We're going to paint that candy apple blue. We like that blue. Ooh, man, that thing looks good. That's going to be sharp, man. We're going to put that damn motor we got outside in that damn thing.
It's going to be fast.
That ought to move it. I'll sell it to you right now. Take $5,000 before we do anything to it.
And that ain't bad.
That ain't
That's
bad.
all for right now.
Let me know now. If you want it or not before we drop that motor, we're going to want
nothing
about
like a 46
$20,000.
Chevy.
We're going to want $20,000 for that motor.